Now, when we first started talking, you said she was your son's baby mama, and I believe she said they were engaged or fiancé or something.
Nah, they ain't.
So couldn't it be that your son doesn't tell you everything?
She got a ring on.
I mean, I thought I heard her say that.
So you got money to buy a ring,
No,
but
your
you ain't got
son-
money for them kids.
Your son bought
But you
me
took
a
the ring. You should have said, no, give my mama the money give your mother the money for the babies.
Is it my
Okay.
No, but you put the ring on so you can flash it.
Mrs. Miller. Mrs. Miller.
Flash it again, girl.
Mrs. Miller, it's a beautiful ring. Now, is there anything
Sure
else
is.
you
Look
want
like
me
it
to
cost a
know?
little money too, though.
She said yes to the ring. But was it real love or just manipulation? Tension fills the courtroom as the mother-in-law asks if that fancy engagement came at the cost of her grandkids' well-being. Jewelry instead of juice boxes. Glamour instead of support. The judge isn't convinced, and neither is the public. But when the blame gets personal, things are about to explode. Stay tuned.
And it sounds like that's a conversation you need to have with your son on another day. Is there anything else
There's
you
no
want me
proof
to
that
know?
he paid for that, though.
Is there anything else you want me
No,
to know?
Your Honor, that's it.
Okay, so I can move over to
Yes,
Miss
Your
Smith
Honor.
then.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, Miss Smith, it is your turn. What do you want me to know?
Your Honor, she absolutely has not had my kids consistently for 6 months.
Okay, how long have Miss Miller?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was
Ms.
just making
Miller?
notes on what she was saying. I apologize.
Yes, you can quietly
I
make notes.
apologize.
Quietly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So her son and I are very much so in love, and he just recently joined the military.
I'm sorry. I should have had some water before I sit down. I apologize.
It's Miss Smith's turn to speak. But before she can get a word out, the tension snaps. Her mother-in-law accuses her of lying. The courtroom stirs. The judge calls for order. Then Miss Smith finally speaks. Her voice trembles as she opens up about her love, her life, and the man in uniform. What she reveals changes everything. And this is only the beginning.
He recently joined the military and he's deployed right now. He's probably going to flip out when he finds out what his mom has done by bringing me to child support court.
So he doesn't know that?
No, he doesn't know yet.
Oh.
Well, he doesn't know. I haven't been able to talk to him yet because he's on deployment. So unless she told him, my understanding is he doesn't know. I just got these papers handed to me like maybe 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago.
To be here?
Yes, and I've emailed him, but I haven't got a response yet. He has limited access right now while he's overseas.
Okay, so it is indeed a fact that you dropped the children off to grandmother 6 months ago.
Yes, so
He's deployed, serving his country, completely unaware that his own mother has taken his fiancé to court over their children. He hasn't been reached. He's out there, focused on duty, with no idea of the storm brewing back home. The judge leans in, eyebrows raised. The courtroom falls silent. But everything is about to change, because a message from overseas is coming. And when it arrives, it stuns everyone. Calls herself an influencer. And the courtroom reacts
influencer,
instantly.
and I hate
Scoffs
saying that because I'm
echo.
still growing
The
right now.
blue
with
Okay.
growing stage. And so I do like travel blogs and things like that, which require me to travel.
Subject, question. Which one can I do
excuse
the
me.
question? What she said. What's an influencer? What is?
So what
what's
is
the
your legal?
doing
What is
there?
your legal objection?
The legal objection is that she lied.
That's not a legal objection, and there will be.
Falsifying information. Falsifying information. What's
Okay.
an influencer? What's that she says she does?
Okay,
So
that's
that's false.
all right. That's not a legal objection either. Some
Calls herself apps. That's not a real job. Tension pouring time and heart into building something from nothing. He told her, keep going. But now, she's standing alone in court, defending a dream that's barely taken off and a trust that's starting to crack under pressure. Rises until the judge steps in to stop the chaos. But behind the filters and hashtags is a young woman trying to build a life, support her family, and make it work in a digital age. The clash between generations turns personal, fast. Judgment cuts deeper than truth. And what happens next? It's anything but fair. 5.
to allow her to finish, because then maybe you can hear what an influencer is.
Okay.
All right.
That works.
All right. Continue.
So I don't get paid a lot. Mostly they just kind of cop the expenses and stuff while I'm growing my channel. Before he deployed about 7 months ago, and He did not want me to give up my growing career. I'm starting to get a lot of traction on social media. And so he told me that he'd talked to his mom and agreed that she would take care of the kids while I have to travel. And I don't travel for like a month at a time. I'm gone maybe 5 days to 7 days and I'm back 2 or 3 and I get my kids.
He left to serve his country, and she stayed behind chasing a dream. With just